Motoristas, Jericho here. Welcome to Moto IoT. Today, I just want to show you guys this product that I found on Amazon. I'm using it to pretty much clean and protect my motorcycle jacket. Because first of all, these damn things are expensive. Especially me, I only have one. So I have to make sure that I constantly clean and protect it. Yesterday, I actually got rained on trying to go to Seattle. Big surprise. So this bad boy got really wet. Was it yesterday or the other day? Doesn't matter. But so tonight it finally dried up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this opportunity to clean it. So yeah, this product's called Chamberlain's Leather Milk. There are 3 or more than 3 formulas, but the main 3 are the formula number 1, number 2, and number 3. They should be enough to pretty much make any leather goods that you have to look like new again. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this on. And if you guys like it, check it out. Check the links on the description. There are links to the Amazon, and you can get them from there. All right, let's go ahead and do it. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna use the formula number 1 first. Basically, this one pretty much just gonna, cleans up the leather itself. So it comes with these pads that you can use. Basically, you don't need a lot. You just put, put a little bit of it, and that should be enough to cover a pretty good area. So yeah, they will actually tell you that to put too much. So just probably a little bit like this. I can start at the top here and kind of put in a circular motion like that. So as you can see, it pretty much it's kind of like give that pretty good shine already, right? I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, but yeah, this one pretty much just kind of rejuvenates the leather itself. So you just basically rub it in gently. There you go. By the way, this is a Merlin motorcycle jacket. It's a cafe racer style jacket. I've used it for my cruiser, and then it also looks well on a sports bike. So this is like it's a very stylish. It's Merlin is a British company. It has that European design in it, and I've been, I wear it for my when I'm riding. Sometimes I also wear it for like some casual occasion, like even when I'm not riding. I'm just gonna keep rubbing it in here. Yeah, get that bad boy up. Go. See, you see how it brings out the the color of the leather itself. Like it's black now. It gets that as soon as I wipe it in. You see that shine right away. That's pretty nice. But this is not even like the actual formula that you use to make it shiny. So it's really good. All right. So I actually read about this product even on the company's website itself. They're claiming that they're not using any chemicals. These are all natural milk. I forgot exactly what kind of milk it is, but I'll take their word for it, I guess, because I've used it before already, and they're really nice. Like, because this jacket got rained on a lot living in Seattle. Man, it rains freaking every day here. All right, I mean, again, this is not just for motorcycle jackets. You can use this for your old leather bags or some other leather jackets that you have. or for your leather shoes. It's not specific for motorcycle jackets. Let's put some here. There you go. You don't want to put too much of this on a particular area because it's actually might end up ruining your jacket instead. Or you might. Some people said that when they put too much, I was reading the reviews, it actually cracks the leather. So be very careful on how much you apply in a particular area. That looks good. I like it so far. Ooh-wee. All right. There you go. Let's put a little bit more there. See, looks good already, right? Man, there was like a rain stain in this area earlier, and as soon as I applied it, it went away. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, weather here, rain here in Washington, at least in the northwest. It's really nice. I like it because it's not too hot. It doesn't get too hot here, but unfortunately the rain is crazy. So if you can't stand rain, then this place is not for you. I'm in Florida. When I lived there for about 18 years, and man, winter is really nice because it doesn't snow there. It doesn't go below 40 degrees. But summer, ooh, you'll be sweating like a pig over there. And that's one of the things that pretty much prompted me to move, just because I just couldn't stand the heat anymore, So it's crazy. All right, formula number 2. All right, this one, Permeate leather with gentle cleansers. There you go. Yeah, it basically saying that it permeates the leather itself. Right here. Man, it smells really good. This one smells like soda, like a Fanta or something. I like it. And formula number 3, penetrating oils and waxes that protect leather. So this is pretty much the protectant right here. From the top, right? Nice, look at that. Give that a good wipe right there. Yeah, make sure you get the collar as well. Don't neglect the collar. There you go. Oh wow, look at that. It looks really shiny now. All right, well, I hope you guys like this little presentation. Jacket looks great already. We're gonna wait until it dries off, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be more. It's gonna look way awesomer than this when it dries off. But yeah, again, check the links on the description for this product. If you like the jacket, check it out in Revzilla, or you just go to the Merlin website. They have pretty good, they have nice jackets, man. But most of it are like for cafe motorcycles, or I'm talking about the design. Most of them are for like cafe motorcycles and cruisers. But yeah, this particular style, I forgot the name of this, but there are 2 of them that looks like this. One is brown that has white stripes on them. I think on the sleeves. They look the same, but this one is black. It has a different name. But yeah, check it out on Revzilla. But for the leather Chamberlain's leather milk there, check out the links down below. All right, well, see you guys next time. Bye.